In this video, I'll show you how to use Loom to record and share customer onboarding videos. First, log into your Loom account and open the Loom recorder. Next, choose whether you want to record your screen, your camera, or both. Now, select the screen or application you want to include and click Start Recording. After that, walk through the product step by step and explain the most important actions your customer needs to complete. Keep the recording focused and use simple language so that the customer can easily follow along. Next, stop the recording when you finish the onboarding walkthrough. Loom will automatically open the video so you can review it. Now, watch the recording and use the editing tools to trim unnecessary sections or remove mistakes if needed. After that, add a clear title and description so the customer knows what the video covers. Next, click Share and choose the sharing settings you want to use. You can copy the video link and send it directly to your customer through email or another communication tool. Finally, make sure the customer has permission to access the video and test the link before sending it. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Loom to record and share customer onboarding videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.